There are several things that you can do to get more views on YouTube. First, promote your video. Share your videos on social media and other platforms to get more views. You can also collaborate with other creators and promote each other's videos. Number 2, use keywords in your titles, tags and descriptions. Use relevant keywords in your titles, tags and descriptions to help your videos rank higher in search results. This will make it easier for people to find your videos when they search for certain terms. Number 3, optimize your thumbnail. A visually appealing thumbnail can help attract more views to your video. Make sure to use a high quality image that accurately represents the content of your videos. Number 4, engage with your audience. Building a community of loyal subscribers is key to getting more views on YouTube. Make sure you respond to comments, ask for feedback, and engage with your audience to build a strong connection. Number 5, consistency. Consistency is very key to grow your channel. It's important to consistently upload new content. This could mean setting a schedule and sticking to it, or at least being consistent with the frequency of your uploads. Number 6, utilize YouTube features. Take advantage of YouTube features such as end screens and annotations to promote your other videos and encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. By following these tips, you can increase the visibility of your videos and get more views on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Take care.